I-interest yabantu kwaZulu Natal ifane party MK. IFP's just got nothing but 18% if I'm not mistaken. So Skatele, that big brother mentality. And when they wanted premiership, they came here and asked us to go to meetings. And when they heard that Ayanda, they ran away njengomsuzo. Abaphindanga babuya.
To people of the Mid and the people of South Africa, they're sitting here. We've got an invitation from the MKP. And in our NEC meeting today, earlier on, we have resolved that we are going to attend that particular meeting. We cannot allow a situation whereby we are being undermined as a political party. And it's even worse to learn that some of the political parties that are undermining us, we are all the same as regional parties. Because we are fighting over a certain constituencies in a certain region. But they want to bully us as if they are big political parties. We can't allow that. There is no reason to be bullied like this. So we are issuing an ultimatum. And we want to set the record straight. We are going to meet the MKP and we'll discuss and take a decision as the leadership.